आने में भी है और बुलाते भी नहीं। bais-e-tark-e-mulaqat बताते भी नहीं। You not only excuse yourself from coming over, but you also won't invite me in. You won't reveal the reason to forsake meeting either. मुंतजर हैं दम-ए-रुखसत कि ये मर जाए तो जाएं, फिर ये ehsan कि हम छोड़ के जाते भी नहीं। You await the moment of my departure, so you could leave as soon as I die. Topping it all off, you try to make me beholden to yourself by saying, I'm staying here, not leaving you. सर उठाओ तो सही, aankh मिलाओ तो सही, नशा-ए-mai भी नहीं, नींद के माते भी नहीं। Lift your head and look me in the eye. Your eyes are neither intoxicated with wine nor overcome with sleep. क्या कहा फिर तो कहो, हम नहीं सुनते तेरी, नहीं सुनते तो हम aison को सुनाते भी नहीं। What did you say? Come again. That you won't listen to me? If you won't listen to me, then in that case, I do not communicate with such people anyway. खूब पर्दा है कि chilman से लगे बैठे हैं, साफ छुपते भी नहीं, सामने आते भी नहीं। It's quite odd the way you observe parda, sitting in contact with the curtain. You neither conceal yourself properly nor appear in full view. मुझसे लागर तेरी आंखों में खटकते तो रहे, तुझसे नाजुक मेरी नजरों में समाते भी नहीं। Emaciated ones like myself may be irritating to your eyes, but delicate ones like yourself are not pleasing to my eyes either. देखते ही मुझे महफिल में ये इरशाद हुआ, कौन बैठा है उसे लोग उठाते भी नहीं। As soon as she espied me at her gathering, she said, "Who is that sitting over there? Why don't they just throw him out?" हो चुका क़ता ताल्लुक़ तो जफ़ाएं क्यों हों, जिनको मतलब नहीं रहता वो सताते भी नहीं। If our relationship has been severed, why do you still torment me? Those who have no concern with someone do not trouble them either. जीस्त से तंग हो ए दाग तो जीते क्यों हो, जान प्यारी भी नहीं जान से जाते भी नहीं। If you are sick of life, oh Daagh, why do you still live? Neither do you love it, nor you take your life.